Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is also for Thanksgiving. We're making a pumpkin-shaped charcuterie board cheese ball. It's a great thing to make and have to snack on for Thanksgiving. So this one's really cute, and you can make it into different shapes, but this way worked out really well. So watch the video, see how my mom does it. Our friends at Stunning Misadventures YouTube channel is where we got this recipe. It is so easy, and we loved it. It's delicious. So check out their channel. We're going to put the link to their recipe video for this recipe in the description box below. But if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, everybody. As Yoda said, we are making a charcuterie board cheese ball for Thanksgiving, and we're going to make it look like a pumpkin. It's going to be so cute. This is so easy. I got this recipe, I got the cheese ball recipe from our friends on YouTube, Stunning Misadventures, and I've already mixed it up, and so we're going to shape it into a ball and then put it in some plastic wrap, but we're going to coat it in this cheese first. So you guys know I'm allergic to dairy, so we used 16 ounces, so total 2 of these cream cheese, diet cream cheese, dairy-free, and softened, so you let them soften. And then we used half a cup of sour cream. We used half a cup of Parmesan shreds. Daya has these new ones. And then half a cup of mozzarella shreds. And then we're gonna roll it or attach this to the outside. That'll make it orange to be the pumpkin. And then 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. So that's it. It's very simple. So you mix it all together, make it into a ball. That's Yoda, you can hear him. And then we're gonna put it inside the plastic wrap here, roll it up. And then I'm gonna use dental floss. But if you have string, whatever, to tie it up like a pumpkin. And then we'll put it in the fridge. So I'll show you. Okay, here it is. I put it in plastic wrap and then I tied it up with the dental floss on the outside of the plastic wrap after I covered it in the non-dairy cheddar to make it orange. So see, it's got the little lines like a pumpkin. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight and then we'll see what it looks like in the morning. All right, our pumpkin cheese ball is done. I took the dental floss off and the plastic wrap. And I used a meat stick, I ate the top part, and stuck the rest in there as the stem, and then I used bay leaf as the leaves. It's so cute. And also very tasty. Will go great on your Thanksgiving charcuterie board. Enjoy.